Hi, Assalamualaikum to our lecturer, Dr. Siti Karunisa binti Sheikh Abdul Muttalib as a lecturer for Management of Business Record IMR 652. Okay, my name is Nordani Usna binti Muhammad Zubir. My matrix number 2019627866. Okay, today my friend and I would like to present about critical review for the article that we choose. Okay, I will start first. Okay, the first article is using social media for effective customer service. The article is to provide meaningful insight that will enable higher education and student affairs professional to effectively leverage social media. The article is to engage with students and other stakeholders by focusing on their expectation of customer service. The article is about social media may be used by student affairs professionals to communicate with students and other stakeholders in order to maximize perceived quality and satisfaction. It also to demonstrated which element might have a substantial impact on customer satisfaction. These observations were then categorized into 5 dimensions, which is tangible, reliability, responsiveness, assurance, and empathy. Okay, now I will proceed with critical reflection. Okay, the first critical reflection is trust, reliability, security, or safety. It means the customer willingness to accept vulnerability in an online environment based on their positive expectation regarding future online behavior. Secondly, web design and content information, which means the appeal that user interface design present to customer as well as the quality of the content available. And lastly, responsiveness and usefulness. It means they monitor their channel on a regular basis to ensure answer to important questions are delivered in a timely fashion. Okay, lastly, recommendation. The recommendation that I can suggest is first, respond to all social media feedback, questions and comments. It means you need to improve the response time on social media queries and provide effective solution to your customer. Secondly, hire and train professionals with the right skill. As we all know, the skill that every customer service representative needs to have are empathy and patience, good communication skill, and knowledge. And lastly, use hashtag strategically. It means, as we all know, hashtag help keep the things organized and simple to find, especially on social media sites such as Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. You may also contribute further information and curate material to the hashtag. Okay, now I will pass to the next presenter. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Nufrizana binti Muhammad Bogi. I'm going to present about the article titled The Contribution of Record Management to Good Governance. So the purpose of this study is relationship between record management and governance responsible and efficient. In summary, this article has discussed several things, which is it tell about ISO 2001. ISO is an international general standard that is responsible for providing guide to manage organizational records. Then it tells about the element of good governance, which is accountability, efficiency, participation, and human rights. The article also relates to the function by the government through e-government and e-record. Hence, its priorities is to appoint a staff who is specifically responsible in the field of record management in the organization is also in the goal. It is a critical reflection in awareness in developing records management in organization is a challenge that needs to be seen and strength security control. There is a problem of corruption going on in the organizations. For prevention, it can make a planning and establishing a certification process and make a study related to the marketing and sponsorship of record model to the operation of the implementation of record management system. That's all from me. Thank you.
I'm student Shafinas Mitnodin and my matric number is 2019-612768. So I'm going to explain about the next article. It's about the impact of customer knowledge and customer relationship management on service quality. And the purpose on this article is about enterprise realize that customer are their most important asset and recognize that a high level of the customer satisfaction can only be achieved by enhancing service quality and also how enterprise acquire customer knowledge by which to maintain customer relationship. So the summary of the article is content about the customer knowledge that refer to an understanding that to the needs and preference of the future customer. Example, the management will often get information about their customer through the assessment that they do before they proceed with a material of the product. So this will make it easy for them to provide a customized service for user and maintain relationship in the long run. Next point is about customer relationship management. Concept of CRM is very important, especially in compiling and documenting all relevant information about the company and customers. It also has a good strategy application and is designed to integrate information, processes, technique that aim at improving the relationship between the companies and their customer, and to ensure that the service provided by quality management are able to identify and retain user of the service to meet user taste. Next is about the service quality. Economic advance are now making more organization use technology in every service that they provided. This also make more management will improve in providing quality service to their customer. For example, many things that have been taken into account to produce quality of service when customers and staff deal. Next, the critical reflection in this article is about customer knowledge. Do an assessment or survey of customer in terms of what taste that they want. Customer knowledge and service quality are closely related to each other. If the knowledge of the customer knowledge is less, then the quality of service will also decrease. Next, the use of CRM give a lot of positive influence on the quality of service, but however, most companies have limited customer knowledge about CRM, and this cannot make better use of a knowledge asset. Last but not least, the next point is, in order for a company to be efficient and effective in delivering product or service to the customer, customer knowledge needs to be better managed to ensure that the company provide a product or material that meets the customer needs. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rafida binti Rizwan. My matric number is 2019423972. I will explain about the recommendation. Firstly, the recommendation is to give motivation to your customers service team. It is a good thing to occur towards our customers is when your employees enjoy to provide customer services with the best. Secondly is to manage client complaint and compliments. It is because every complaint given is an opportunity and knowledge toward the improvement of our business reputation. And lastly, the recommendation is demonstrate excellent product knowledge. This is because complete product or services related knowledge is an important part of the customer services. It is because when we have all the knowledge, we can easily provide the good services towards our customers. That's all from me. Thank you.